What's going on, everybody? We're here in the shed. This is my brand new 2025 KTM 250, and today we are doing a race bike build. So we've got a bunch of parts here, WP, a few exhausts and a few bits, and we're going to be building this thing up to full race spec today. So it should be a good one. Make sure to watch till the end to see the final product. Let's get straight into it. So first things first, we gotta do a full tear down, get all the parts off it, put them somewhere, and then do a bit of a time lapse and see what goes down. So on the phone, because the GoPro is currently charging, got the bike all stripped down, got all the parts laid out here, forks, shock, bars, seat, all the plastics and exhaust and stuff, plus a few more bits and bobs around the joint. So now we're going to get our first part out. These beautiful KTM factory triple clamps. Get them ready to smack straight onto the bars. Should be good, let's go. Alrighty, so we got the brand new KTM triple clamps on now, just loosely of course. Now next up on the product list is these twin air radiator sleeves. So we're gonna go and slap them on right now. Ready? Boom, super easy, super simple to put on there. Protect your radiators nicely, too easy. And you get a free sticker. Too good. Alrighty, so I believe next on the agenda will be the rear shock. So let's get this thing going. Now for the WP unboxing. And boom, fresh track shock ready to be put in. Also got some WP stickers probably gonna put on here, so we'll get that going, put it in the bike, send you back to another time lapse. Alrighty, got that beautiful track shock in. Next up, just going to chuck these electricals all back together real quick. Boom, that easy. Alrighty, so next up, we're gonna chuck this back wheel on real quick. So let me roll this out. Alrighty, got the beautiful fresh DID Dirt Star rims on there with the MotoMaster discs. Now next up, switch out this ugly silver chain, this beautiful DID gold one. So let's chuck this bad boy on, eh? Boom, fresh gold chain, looking sick. Alrighty, next up here, I think I'm gonna chuck fresh bars, all the stuff that goes with that. So put a quick time lapse on, let's go. Alrighty, got most of the bar stuff on here. So pretty much that's about all we can do for now. Got some new grips coming. I have to rip this grip off in a second. I have to get on the bike to adjust my bars and stuff the best I can. And then so I can't put the bar pad on either. So next up, I'm just gonna slide these beautiful new cone valve forks through and we're gonna go. So come over here, beautiful new cone valves, ready? Boom, two fresh cone valve forks, absolutely beautiful things to use, work with, anything really. So next thing is just to put them on the bike. Let's go. Alrighty, fresh cone valve forks are on. Next up, we touch these fresh WP stickers straight on these bad boys. So, chuck them on my back. Boom. Fresh stickers on there, ready to rip. So next thing we're gonna do, because I didn't tighten up this triple clamp because I have to put the forks in and stuff. We're gonna do that now. And then probably just chuck that front wheel straight. Actually, no, before we even chuck the front wheel on, we're I'm gonna chuck the fresh Acro on, so we'll do that, and then we'll do the unboxing of the beautiful Acropovic pipe. Alrighty, tighten up that head stem all nice. Now time to do the unboxing of the big Acropovic. Boom! Fresh Acropovic full system. Chuck her on in a second, chuck her into a time lapse, let's go. Alrighty, fresh Acropovic full exhaust system is fitted. Next up on the list is this beautiful KTM factory fresh wheel with the floating front disc, of course. Gonna snap that on real quick. Let's go. And boom, the front wheel is on, working beautifully. Alrighty, so next up on the agenda for the race bike is, actually, yes, we have to sadly strip this brand new grip off. Just fucking boom. Get ready for the new grips I've got coming, because my hands don't really like these grips. So, gotta get some new ones for that. And then we'll do all the bar shit, and then gotta wait for the plastics and graphics still to come. The graphics should be here Monday. Plastics should be here Wednesday. So hopefully they'll be here and I'll be able to put the rest of this bike back together. So yeah, we'll throw it in a time lapse, get this grip off. Let's go. Change of plans. We're gonna put the bar pad on because I just put this other grip on for the meantime and adjusted where I wanted to so I can chuck that on. So I'm just gonna chuck this on real quick. Let's go. Ready? Alrighty guys, it has been accomplished with a little bit of sandpaper, Stanley knife, and this trusty little grinder. So that's all ready for the new grip to be put on. Oh yeah, I gotta take this other side off. Hold on, yeah. Oh no. Yeah, I'll find that later. So basically, that's everything we can do to the bike at the moment. Have to wait for the new plastics and graphics to arrive, along with my grips and a few other little bits and bobs. So next time, well, it's late, I'll finish up now. And then, oh, I found the screw. It's cool. Next time, sorry, not next time. The next bit you'll be seeing of me is when that all arrives and I can put it all on. So, see you later, good night, and I'll be back. So just editing this video now, I'm realizing that it's going to be too long to be all in one video, so I'm splitting it up into two parts. This will be part one, Part 2 will be out soon, so make sure to stay tuned. Peace out.